latest live on the BBC World News and the BBC News Channel with Victoria Fritz and Aaron Heslehurst.
Yeah, the powerful group of oil-producing nations that is OPEC meets in Vienna today. The question is, can they do anything to drive up the price of oil?
Live from London, that is our top story on Friday, the 5th of June. It is all about black gold. How long can oil-producing nations cope with falling prices? Also in the programme, Nestlé withdraws Maggi noodles from sale in India and Singapore over safety concerns. And we are going to be bringing you up to speed with the latest on the markets where volatility reigns supreme. The Asian markets were mainly lower and Europe's been trading about half an hour, and you can see already a sea of red. The big question, what's going to be happening to Greece?
And we're going to be getting, of course, the inside track on what's been moving the markets this week. There is a lot of things. Greece, unemployment numbers, and, of course, the big election in Turkey on Sunday, all weighing in. Our economics correspondent, we've dragged him in the studio, Andrew Walker, is going to help us make sense of all of that. And wherever you are, even on the move, let us know what you think of the stories we're covering. Of course, you can stay in touch with us on social media. It's easy. You just got to use that hashtag, BBC Biz Live.
Welcome to the programme, and a special welcome to viewers in the UK watching for the first time on the BBC News Channel. Now, we start in Vienna, where the group of oil-producing nations, OPEC, meets later. And many OPEC members have had their finances squeezed by the slump in the price of crude oil. But is there anything they can do to drive it back up again? Well, Brent crude is currently trading at around $62 a barrel, and it's recovered quite a bit from its lows of around $42 earlier on in the year. But it is still down 43%. And this is the graph that gives you an idea. Here you go. This is all you need to know when it comes to oil. Not a pretty sight if you're in a country that is dependent on oil experts. Let's look at what the break-even price is for some of the countries to balance their budgets. Now, shale oil producers in the US have a break-even price of around $65 a barrel. Now, fast-growing oil production in the United States has eaten into OPEC's market share. Saudi Arabia, for example, is well below its fiscal break-even price of closer to $100 a barrel. So, if prices persist at roughly $25 a barrel below Saudi Arabia's break-even price, how long will it be before the government reserves are depleted?